In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on TradingView without using a mouse. This can be particularly helpful when you're working on a laptop or desktop and prefer using keyboard shortcuts for efficiency. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp of quick navigation techniques that'll save you time and streamline your chart analysis. Let's start with users on Windows or Linux. If you're looking to zoom in and get a closer look at the intricate details of your chart, simply press Ctrl and the up arrow key together. This combination enhances the view, helping you to see more detail in the price action and indicators. Conversely, if you need to zoom out to get a broader perspective of the chart, perhaps to analyze a longer timeline, press Ctrl along with the down arrow key. This will give you a wider view, allowing you to see larger market trends. But what if you want to move the chart horizontally? Panning left or right can be done with ease. Pressing Ctrl and the left arrow key will shift your view to the left, while Ctrl and the right arrow key will move the chart to the right. This is particularly useful when you want to explore past data without changing the zoom level. Now for Mac users, the process is fairly similar, but with a slight variation in keys. To zoom in, you'll use the Command key paired with the up arrow. This allows you to delve deeper into the chart to focus on specific data points. If at any point you wish to zoom out, just hit Command plus the down arrow. This takes you back for a more comprehensive view, perfect for understanding the overall market sentiment. For panning on Mac OS, use Command with the left or right arrow keys to move the chart horizontally. Command with left will pan the chart leftward, while Command with right will shift it to the right, enabling you to navigate through the chart effortlessly without altering the focal range. Now, let's talk about some additional handy shortcuts for both Windows and Mac users. The Alt or Option key, followed by Z, initiates the keyboard navigation mode, which essentially enhances your ability to navigate the interface more thoroughly with keyboard shortcuts. And if you ever find yourself needing to quickly reset the zoom level and the chart view altogether, simply use Alt or Option plus R. This restores everything to its original state, which is ideal after making several adjustments and wanting to start anew with a fresh perspective. These keyboard shortcuts in TradingView can greatly enhance your workflow, providing a faster and more intuitive way to navigate charts without relying on a mouse. With practice, these tips can become second nature, helping you to analyze charts like a pro. Happy trading!